And we have an update now on this semi rollover just north of Climax on Highway 75 at about 2:30 this afternoon. This now in from the Minnesota State Patrol. The driver of the Volvo semi was 63-year-old Roger Opdahl of Brooks, Minnesota. He suffered non-life threatening injuries. The patrol says he was wearing a seatbelt and no alcohol involved. The semi was driving southbound here on Highway 75 when it left the roadway and rolled across northbound Highway 75 and into the west ditch due to a strong gust of wind. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.